can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up, jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers.
Good morning, we're off to Izumi Sushi. Sushi making. Good morning. We're at Izumi Sushi with the little scramble, so we were a little late. I think we were maybe 5 minutes late, so we shouldn't have been late. Yes, so we're going to be making some sushi. What do you think about this class? We got a really good view of the ship going outside. How nice! You can really see the waves going by. So 24 people in this class. It'll be a full one. Big table.
Ourselves with what we have on the table. The plate on the left, this will be yours. Okay? Everything that's on the left, that will be yours. You can start by wearing your gloves and your hats, please. You don't want to be on our sushi, right?
Thank you.
My name is Benedicto.
Thank you.
My partner here, Rowella. We're here to also guide you step by step on how to make the sushi, okay? Do you have any allergies, any dietary restrictions you need to be aware of before we start?
Ibi, spicy tuna, and imitation crab meat, avocado, slices of cucumber, and ginger and wasabi for your condiments, and olive oil, black sesame seed, white sesame seed, nori, and the most important one is the rice, sushi rice. Making your sushi rice, the ratio is 1:1. For example, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rice. Then cook for 45 minutes, and while it's hot, mixed with sushi vinegar. Sushi vinegar, you can buy that one in the market. But you can make also that one back home, homemade. The 3 main ingredients for that are vinegar, sugar, and salt. Just mix that one. And are you ready? A piece of nori. You notice there's two sides of it. The rough side and the shiny part. So you choose the rough side up. Just
Oh, the
get
nori,
a
we
few
have to get
amounts
some
of
later.
oil. Rub it on your palm.
So the shiny part on the bottom.
Oh yeah, they.
The
Shiny part
part
in the bottom. Form it like a ball. Put it in the middle of the nori. And put horizontally. And vice versa to the top.
Shiny on top.
Oh, we need some oil. Thank you. Oh boy.
More oil. Yeah, we need more oil. Okay, so where do we put the oil? Just rub it to your hand so the rice will not stick to your hand.
Space.
And then we.
Put it
Make
on
sure
the
you
nori.
cover all the nori.
And you scatter it.
You didn't say how much vinegar we have to put in this rice. 1 to 1, and then how much vinegar?
For example, 1 cup of rice, ma'am.
Yeah.
3 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay.
3 tablespoons.
Ah, ulit ka? Yeah.
1 cup of rice. Don't press too hard.
No, don't press too
So
hard.
it's easy for you to
Roll.
put it on after.
Like that? Okay.
Yeah, you have to squish it.
When you don't press too
Push
hard.
it more.
Yeah, make it like this.
Yeah, I'm smashing it. To be quite frank, I'm just smashing it into it. Smashing. Is this okay? It's flip it over. We flip it over.
2 pieces of crispy shrimp, very good.
In the middle, put it horizontally like this. Stay outside.
Then it's outside like this.
Yeah. Put in the middle. Like that.
Position the nori, put on top of the shrimp. Then begin to roll. Make sure you have an inch overlap like this, huh?
Make sure what?
Have an inch.
Inch overlap. So we're gonna start to roll.
Alright, slow down inside, right? Slow down. And then roll.
Bravo.
Right. Yes.
Now we need to
This
bring
time we will use the bamboo mat or maximum.
the bamboo.
Do not remove the plastic. The reason for that
not
is
remove the plastic.
we have enough of this.
So it won't stick.
Sauce is missing one? I didn't mind. There we go. There we go.
I think I might push it a little bit.
Yes.
You're mashing up again?
Are we just rolling? Are we rolling? No, Mom. Oh. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Just kind of forming.
Hala, after.
Okay, good job.
Next roll.
Okay, same procedure.
So we don't decorate.
Okay.
with a little bit of
Oil.
Rice on the side up. Okay, rough side up again. Some rice. Oh.
So always the rough on top, the rough side on top.
Side up.
There's some right here.
Okay.
Okay, Naomi. No mushing, covering. You got this.
Don't put a lot of rice.
You can do it.
Because we're gonna put a little bit more ingredients inside.
More ingredients in this one. Okay.
So not too much rice, a bit, since we're gonna put more stuff in
Yeah.
this. Not too much rice.
What is it called? It's called. It's seaweed. What is that called? The what is this? Nori.
Sprinkle some black sesame seed.
Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.
This one is.
21 pieces only, okay?
21 pieces of sesame. Oh no, I have too much. Ready.
Flip it over.
Flip it over.
Flip it over. Spicy tuna. Can you get me a spicy tuna?
Should we what she said?
Point your finger. Size of your pointer finger.
But I have bigger fingers, so.
Oh, it smells good.
Slices of cucumber.
Says a cucumber, don't it?
I like cucumber. I'll take your cucumber, Naomi. What do you think?
What? It's not gonna fold very well.
That's okay.
I mean, it looks pretty now, but
We'll just have it. It'll go this way. What is it? Abadabo? Oh, avocado. I don't know. I'm sorry. I like avocado.
Thin slice it, okay.
Thin slice of beside the spicy tuna.
First one. Is this okay? Yeah.
Okay, roll.
Now we roll?
Make sure all your ingredients are inside the
Okay, I can do it. Do it. Okay.
it's a lot of sushi we're gonna eat. Never.
Oh yeah. It's a good thing we didn't get breakfast.
Okay, we're done with the bamboo mat.
No more bamboo mat. Okay. Oh, we're just doing a triangle here? Okay.
Yeah, triangle.
Uh-oh. I think I have too much then. Oh, does it matter which side? That's way too much. That's way too much. Sorry. Does it need to be a bottom part? It should be the bottom. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
I like sesame. I like the flavor of sesame. While it's hot. Okay.
Well, they're not hot, they're cold.
Well, get there while it's cold. Oh, they're fresh? I don't know.
Where do we put it?
Top of the rice, babe.
On top of the rice.
Like across?
Like this, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Take cucumber.
This corner goes to where?
This
To
one
where?
goes
To
here.
where? Up to there. Okay.
Goes here. Okay. If you find it difficult, you can lay it on the table so it's more stable. Take a piece of the rice, put it at the end. Okay?
Okay.
If you find it hard to roll, just leave it on the table. It's much better.
Okay.
Yeah, like this one.
And then roll?
Then roll. Just make sure you roll it like an ice cream.
Okay.
I think on the table is much better.
Yes. It's more stable on the table.
It's not very pretty, I don't think. I think mine could be more pretty.
Like an oblong shape.
Oblong shape.
Oh, okay.
And the body is the rice.
That is the body.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
put it together.
And that's the roll. Naomi's Creations. What do you think about this? Did you have fun? That was fun.
I like smashing.
Quite the smashed.
Alright, just that. They want the memory.
How do you say it in Japanese? Ikinakimasu. De tikimasu. Timas. Etida. Kimasu. Etida. Kimasu. Almost. There you go. I like the spicy eel.
You go like this, and you be itadakimasu. Yeah, there. Yeah, itadakimasu. So, balance on your fourth. Balance on this other one. This one right here. Okay. And then use this finger to balance between the two. This one should be like variable, so you can open and close it, and so you can get that kind of like pincer grasp, like this up. It's hard, but like if you learn this one, it should not be bad. This it should all be balancing right here, so this should be kept straight. So this one doesn't
third finger.
This one goes on here.
Learn how to hold this.
Okay.
Okay, graduation time.
On the above. You have it down here, and then you don't get as much control of your top. You get more control with your third
So
finger. So when you
in
have three,
Japan, did you always eat with chopsticks? Often?
Yeah, pretty much, unless you were eating curry, in which case then you just have a spoon.
If I may ask, how come you know all this?
I spent 6 months in Japan.
It was a
Yeah,
semester.
I studied there. In Osaka area, in Hirakaku City. So yeah, right here. So 1, 2, this fourth finger, and then this third finger should be grasping. Otherwise, if you only have these two fingers, you're not going to have as great of a grasp. But if you have three, you can really pinch it together.
Now, did you do that in Japan all the time?
Yeah.
Every meal you have when you gather?
Yeah,
you
it's
do
a
that?
very common thing. Yeah, or if you're just alone, you just kind of go into the class.
Yay, very nice.
How does your sushi taste?
Delicious. There we go. There you go. We had a lot of fun with the sushi making. I'm so glad that we did it. I would recommend it. Why not? There, thumbs up. What do you think about this?
Potato.